Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 6th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. And this one, yes, you are interested in the binary puzzle number 70501. Before I start, I always count up 20 digits. Well, this one has 18. Yeah, 18. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. 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 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Then we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be low. Double, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in the first column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are ones. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. Then 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in this row, so the rest are ones. And between the ones comes an O. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. We have solved this binary puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.